Hello guys, this is Esteban Tabera, and today I'll be giving you guys a small tutorial on how to write an array. So let's begin. So as you guys may see, this is going to be about soccer. Uh, the reason why I chose soccer is because I'm a soccer player, so I decided to do something that I like. So my first thing that I did was I display a text message saying, "Welcome to my soccer bag." Um, you know, soccer bag, not a big deal. It's just welcome to the soccer bag. Next thing, what I did was start typing my array. So in order to write an array, you need a string. String is basically a sentence with items or stuff. So string, good, and then backpack, which is basically my soccer bag, and then you put the square, and then you start writing your items. So I decided to just type three items, which are my soccer cleats, my shin guards, and my soccer ball. And then I display another text saying backpack items. And then I display my items, which are the soccer cleats, shin guards, and the soccer ball. In Java, a lot of people get confused because you start with zero. Zero is basically the first item in your bag. So I was a victim of this. I used to get confused. Now I'm getting better at it. So zero is basically cleats, one shin guards, two the soccer ball. You run this, and boom, it works. Thank you guys, and I hope that this helps a lot.